A few essential utilities can transform your Windows experience. In this video, we will share the best Windows utilities everyone should install. First, a reliable archive tool like 7-zip handles compressed files of every type for free. A good media player such as VLC plays virtually any audio or video format without hunting for codecs. A capable browser tuned for your privacy and speed is essential for daily use. A password manager keeps all your logins secure and easy to access. For screenshots and screen recording, a dedicated capture tool offers far more than the built-in options. A system monitoring app shows your temperatures and performance, helping you catch problems early. A duplicate file finder reclaims wasted space by spotting copies you forgot about. A note-taking app captures ideas instantly across your devices. Cloud storage backs up your important files automatically. And a quick launcher tool lets you open anything by simply typing. Most of these are free and lightweight. Installing this core set gives you a more capable, secure, and enjoyable computer. Explore them, keep the ones you love, and build a toolkit that serves you well.